What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So the Lion Man come and explain why him never play no match with Ricky. You see me I say, him say boy Ricky say him did a go dress normal in a man, you know what I mean, clothes and something. And then when you look, Ricky come in a girl clothes. Seeing, so me I go make you explain to people and me I go to my opinion. Seeing, we also have Annie and Anna come bash Shan, where girl name them Jagga baby mother. Seeing, I say fear mother, Jagga baby mother. You know what I mean, very disrespectful, and him disrespect she and thing. Right, we are going to hear about that, my people. Cheese come out wicked for Dan. Because I'm sure we don't know earlier on, Dan, I just the whole heap of things that we are going with cheese and ray and blah blah blah. And them been in a them thing for a long time now. Right? So cheese have some things to say about Dan, and I don't know if you don't hear yet, but I guess maybe everybody on social media must hear about Dan's son who get himself mixed up in a unaliving of a man. You see me I see him in jail right now. So cheese I go talk how Dan play a role allegedly still, you know what I mean, cause cuss not bring nothing good. So you know what I mean, this can be something where cheese just attacks because them a cuss, you know. So cheese attack how Dan make him son mix up in a foolishness, wrongdoing, whatever. Seeing we are going to hear cheese have to say. And also my people, Shebada now, Shebada come wire cheese in the wickedest way and also defend Dan. You know what I mean? So these are the things we have to share with my people. We will add more things as we go on. Make we kick it off.
Sleep, him used to sleep in a all different type of people house. Anyway, him get him catch him sleep at nights. Dan, you cannot speak to me, baby. You can't talk to me. You know, say logics me talk about. You make the pitney them stay or them stay. Dirty stinking girl, me say you make the pitney them stay or them stay. And you turn the boy in a gunman because you bring him round gun. Remember, you know, I know you grow him, you know. I know you grow him, but through him here say you fuck the Dan a Spanish town. Him come, and when him come, him want to walk behind every gunman. He want to be this gunman. And you as a Dan, you can't talk to me about pitney. Go be a mother. Come in and see my pitney I go down hill and just watch him go down there and don't even say nothing at all. It start from you. Remember when me know Berto a little pitney? Him never broke out and do all these things. As since he start come and capture land and start walk with the man them, at them time they him feel like say, oh, him a bad man cause him stepfather are done. Remember good, nobody not tell a lie. And that's what Samantha used to go on too. She used to go on like say, to her stepfather are done, she can stab up anybody and she can do anything what she want. Dan, no lie me I tell. Dan, your old curse. Will cut out your pussy with a knife and burn it. Never you dare bring back a next germs like them upon the earth, here. No bring back no more damage, blood clot control, boy. Cause you damage yourself. This is Dan Santana. Dan Reed where they pan people name. Our son unalive a man in a February at Boston, Massachusetts, my love. 1.5 clip him give the man. You hear me tell you? 1.5 clip over 18 gunshot. Him give the man in him head. 1.5 clip. This dirty nasty boy on my screen take somebody innocent pitney child life. The man where him unalive, this man go to church. This man family don't do badness. This man family don't mix nor mingle. You know him unalive the boy for a girl. Careless. I saw him mama walk and war over man. I saw him sister walk and war over man. I saw him come war over woman. Charlie, you couldn't war over no man. You only have to see girl and 8 girl over the man. But you couldn't war over no man because you never get no position, none at all for war over no man. People, you know me not tell no lie on them people. Anything you hear come out of mouth, logic facts. Yeah. Dan you can't cause none of my pick me them because guess what? My son brighter than you. My 14-year-old son intelligent than you 51-year-old, and that's a shame. I would be ashamed of myself. A long time I tell you say, put you and my son together for read a book. My son make you look like shit. And you're there longer than my son. Dan, can you spell A? Me just a wonder. Dan, spell A. It's a one-letter word. You can spell A, Dan? Spell A for me, Dan. And Dan keep us as I see. And Dan keep it a secret. You can't keep nothing a secret, a blood clot. Once it's an open book there, she can't keep nothing a secret. Who want believe. Me not tell you like one time I did blood clot come bust it on the media first. And she thought, yeah, me say my son analyze somebody. What you mean say my son? And in the house you did there when the police them come arrest him. Eh? And in your house you did there when the blood clot police them you don't play it off on the media so good girl, cause you never know me that gonna know. You never know me that gonna know say your son analyze people. Yeah, you're crazy. What have to talk about this? See the dirty prisoner boy, yeah. Is a real citizen, a law-abiding citizen life. Him take you can't even get bail. Not even bail you can't get. Yeah, it's a threat to society. You over-analyze the man. You over-care the man. Why you do that? Why you do that? Just because the dad never want your father? It come like how that happen. Let me just say. Just because the dad never want your mother, not father, make it clear. But just say, because there is no way you go just go analyze somebody. Say, after you go through some trauma, what was the trauma? Eh? At the ring where your dirty woman no get, can remember your mother citizen, you know? Your mother citizen, anybody your mother, the man for choose a your mother, you know? But your mother not a pussy, and your mother have a stink scent, a death scent in her mouth. No man no want live with that. No man no want kiss them. They must say once a year your mother get kiss. What was the real reason why you go and take the man life? Because you can't take the man life just because you want a woman. Don't believe a catch in Jamaica. They said the way you go get away with shit. What you think you're going to get away with it, Berto? You don't know this is America? Eh? You analyze the people and pick me and I play it off and then still a walk around with a blood clot gun, clip load. Still a walk around with gun full. Eh? So then you say you run America. I don't tell you say you run America. Because if you can do such an unlawful crime, come on, is you run America? Is use Donald Trump? Look on my screen, people. Look on my screen, people. This is cheese correct TikTok. Yeah, can I go sell me next TikTok? Me nah go back live pan it. I'm going to sell it to one girl. $1,000. I need to get rid of some things. Sometime in order for you to gain, you have to lose. And I'm willing to lose. I'm not lying. Because I know billing all over back again can be great sometimes. So yeah, I won't be using that body on a budget anymore. I will just use this one. Dan, you can't talk about nobody. Charlene, Samantha, and Berto curse. Charlene, Samantha, and Berto.
People, about 2 years now or more, you know, Dan and cheese at it, you know. Me I tell you, a long time, you know, people. And this youth, yeah, me no remember how the story go. How him get to analyze the youth. I think them say about some woman business, some girl business. You see me I say, and him did take the girl, him did rape the girl, them say, allegedly. You know what I mean? I think I did saw a story go. I'm not 100% sure. But I think I over some girl and them say him rape the girl. Rape the girl. You see me? So, boy, people, yo, you see as a Jamaican, I'm telling you something, man. You say if you don't get the opportunity to fly out and something, I want to fly out on the straight and good and alright and something, please. operate in the confines of the law, because it's not easy to fly out, you get the opportunity there and then you get sent back home, You wanna want easy something with people, big woman thing. You know what I mean? Behave on yourself when you don't go find brethren. Behave on yourself.
To curse. Oh, and you make that happen. And you make things rub off by your people then. Because of the wickedness they want to do to people. You must say, I be people clothes they used to walk on thief, Dan Reed. And people, I'm show you one man who fuck Dan Reed and she disown the man right through. With Father Worm there, come through. See Dan blood clot man ya. She disown that man ya straight. Me say the woman say me wicked. Dan Reed say me wicked. Because me a put up man where she don't know. And when you check it out, this man a fuck out Dan old from 2000. Fuck it out. Oh? Dan, me not say no, me not make up a story and come by you. And when me have by you, me I give you, man. That's why you're dying inside. You dying inside, you can't tell me nothing. And my friend too. Worm is my friend. I don't care what I say. Worm say, look how long me done fuck out. Look how much I am man fuck down after me. Well, cheese I call up my blood clot name for. I really consider come like cheese fall in love with my blood clot picture. Every time she put up blood clot my picture. She not put up one with Dan different man name picture. Remember you me put your cash this one now. I choose she this one here, I know say you fuck out her hole, so me have to use it and hurt her when she see the scream. True damage people, Lie no damage people, true damage people. I mean, I know how much man you fuck so that's until I remember say you did fuck Worm. You're too wicked. You're too pussycat wicked. You can't say barrier. When I see coming them. When down own you, we stop post you. Right. Anytime down own you, we stop post you. We now stop posting too lie. And she take go off her class and she don't know you, and that's why she carry me to court. She said that's why she carry to court. Yeah? Sue for sue, you can't sue me and the man own it and fuck her. But nothing wrong with Worm, yeah. Nothing wrong with Worm, she fuck worse than Worm. So I don't know what she come this one up Worm for. Dirty down where you have this one Worm for. Nothing wrong with Worm. You're too blood clot disgusting. You for put a lock by your hole and pick and choose. I bet if you can't show a man say me fuck him. I bet you can't show a man say me fuck him because I fuck with caution. I don't dash my pussy like dirty water like you and your daughter. And some man can fuck just to see him. Careless. Man in hands with them. Guys, some man can fuck just to see him. Same type of dirty fuck when you put on. Nah, buddy. So the mother, so the daughter. See her anemia. See the dirty girl anemia. Remember when I used to hide it, like you don't know who me attack. See Dan and the murderer, yeah? You kill people unlawfully. You take people's life without a cause. No. You see, if you did a fight or this boy did something, I could have understand it. This boy don't do nothing. You care the boy because the girl. Why? I know you lay down in a blood card jail and play insanity, a lie I tell. Nothing do right. Judge nothing do the dirty boy. Sexy fatty. What going? Of course, sometimes you have to last win. I mean, know that. And the Germans want to go. Once me, say no come and say, you call me name, just know me not spare, you know. Now, bust your head right the stand down. Rest of me know nobody. Damn dirty read. Why you do it, drunker? Why you do it? Sit down and our son we analyze the man. Yeah. We not tell no lie. You see the people them run out for me. And I show me love when I come with you and I'm that's a suck cocky Kenneth come over here. And I say how much me say the people them forgot drink the baby dead water. I don't have them cruel out there, you know. I don't even know what go on. All I said is not me this says is the girl's sister says so. I the owner for the blood cause the owner wanna class up a fear sister says so. A black girl says so good Kenetta. So you can't put nothing upon me. Everybody boy see them video there, I know them video there, I know who say what. But you see the blood clad people them come out for me. You want to turn the people them against me. No, I don't care about the baby, I don't know the baby, I don't give a fuck about the killing we go on. Yeah, and that is that. The fuck you come try to penalize me with things where other people say. Don't do that, stinking Batman, rotten blood Kenetta. How dare you? The whole enemy I take on corner bright. The whole enemy I take on corner bright. Fucking outsider. But you want the see people in favor of me. You try for banter the people in from me about.
Me have a reason. Then all my tour ya so chip up so. Let me know wear tight shoes. Then when me wear tight shoes and I realize. Then my toe tap chip up here. I wonder if I women did in the pool. Come here wear tight shoes. I mean, we all of my shoes them fit me like slippers. Come in a don't grow yet, you know. Me not don't grow. Yeah, me not don't grow at all. The whole of my toe tap them chip up. Not the whole of my toe tap them, I just a one year. But the way me did do. I seen so somebody tell me say them dreams about my toe in and I'm a right toe. And I'm a right big toe chip up, you know. Watch it. I'm convinced this is not the mark of the beast because they're not put the mark of the beast on tour. Lord Jesus, I want the black hair come off because the ears say Bob Marley tour making.
Alright my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me I say, because right now my people, when it comes to like the whole situation with Dan and Cheese, it's a never ending thing. You see me? Every time them have to ease off and then rise up again. That's how me see it. You know what I mean? But I'm going to make we hear what Shebada have to say about the whole thing and then move on to the next.
Not there no more, you know. Yeah, me is a Bob tour make him not there. I mean like when I told them look. So but I don't know what it's this. I feel at the pool of Florida, you know. Come in the weird tight shoes people. Anti-class time, so in that class, the shoes, no, none of my two shoes are not tight, with us. Yeah. Maybe I'm from a pedicure. But my pedi have no cure. My pedi have no cure. I mean, I understand why I want to supply my foot. I need to take a picture of my toe and save it on my phone. Nicki Minaj. No, when I sit down and listen to the video, you know. You know, in one part of the video, I said Nicki a good feel. I said Nicki this way you forget. Which not have no meaning to Nicki, you know, you understand me? It not meaningful to her at all. If you don't understand what I try to say. But in the other news, you just have to say a good feel. Can you be the teller, you know? It's not like me never tell Sister Nicki. Me tell Sister Nicki Minaj. No, me hear she's talk some things about Nicki and a good girl because Nicki knows some people will bring her down. She over there give them cheese. Go suck out your son from back way. Go suck your little boy when you pop from back ways cheese. I tell you, say it's a dirty girl and you're cursed that little baby there. And if I me like your son, me kick out your hole in a cheese. Me now got to know that you see as small as the room be, I play soccer with your vagina and I play soccer with my portal of entry. You don't believe me? Come here, cheese. How you mean Nicki Minaj I give some people who are bringing you down? When Nicki know you're from, cheese, you and Nicki used to shoplift? Me just ask many questions. Me don't know if any of them are gonna catch. You and Nicki ever buck up in a telco yet? When you come across the border, Nicki ever show you the way yet? Eh? You eat Nicki but you not eat lava to leave you out a door. You say lava send for you and leave you out there and suffer. And then Nicki you take up. No, this is like lava because you not trouble me but me just make materials. Yeah. Huh? No, you understand me? You see when me tell you some dog shit? But you see when me tell Nicki Minaj say, when you see we are suffer, leave us alone. When you see we naked, do not dress us. When you see we hungry, don't feed us. When you see we homeless, don't shelter us. Me tired to tell you. Me tired to tell you. Yeah? You think we're good? You think we're nice? You think we're pretty? Bon, me tell, Nicki no say, from a company up my have she pierce up all over cheese and you alone like Nicki. You're just like Nicki, you're not like Nicki Minaj, you're just like Nicki. Remember you're too busy at tea for listening to one of Nicki. Where you know Nicki from? You just never know say Nicki will be on your program one day. You just never know that. And you gotta draw the woman name. Thank you, Joe Beach, you gotta draw the woman name. Eh? When Nicki get 113 lion and 40 leviathan tigers and bears, where you say, her hole never big, her hole is big when she get all of them something there. You never know. Eh? She suck old. You never know, say Nicki suck old when Nicki a bless you and a help you and a try to do what God a do. Deliver you. Eh? You never know, say the lady hole is big. You never know that. Everybody all big for you and you're all little and you don't have an address. You have a little bitty tiny tiny vagina and you do have a resting place for your shape. When I tell people say Jamaican TikTokers are the worst. And it's when you talk the truth, them hate you. You think a Nicki make you little? You think a Nicki make you can't hold in a hand middle? Eh? Me just ask, you think a Nicki make Blondie make you capture somewhere? You think a Nicki make them take off the door? Me just ask you, oh you mean Nicki Minaj, they over there so, eh? They over this I give people. Nicki Minaj walk and give everybody. She do what Andrew Olney should have do. Nicki Minaj do enough area than should have do.
Hey people, I'll tell you something man. You see, sometimes you reach somewhere in your life and you love a certain thing and you know say that way you love I go take you off a which part you there. I mean take you off, but it will bring you down to a level where you pass already and gone which part you there. You see me? Yeah, And me don't know if you explain this still, but with the whole situation with like Nicki Minaj scene and like a mingle with the Jamaican them. You see me have a look on name on TikTok and them something there. And for a long time she a mingle with them from even over Instagram days. You see me I say, and then you go upon them level, you know, for them come disrespect you in a way. Cause guess what? You see them people here, them want to know say them have you in a feed them pocket, you know, and you only focus on them, you know. Once you gone over somebody else, you know, I eat that, you know, them a pray, you know. It happen with more than one of them and them disrespect the woman. You see me I say? And them have a saying where them say like, I can't remember the saying, but it's like when people get too cool with you, when them get too familiar with you, that bring disrespect. You understand? So you have to be careful with these people. Let me know what you think. We watch some more.
Me put out Nicki do enough area than Shebada do. She walk and she give every single soul. She give your enemy, she give my enemy. She give enemies of our enemies and she give our enemies. She give everybody. So you want to watch that. She's gonna suck out your son. The little boy will stay with you, gonna suck him out from back ways. Go nyam the little boy. You see them dirty, me don't know why, me don't know how people support evil. No man don't want spiritual eyesight. This need Jesus and all them disciples, them are the extra ones. Jamaicans, we are too entitled. We are too entitled. If Nicki Minaj want to give anybody in this, alright, maybe not even use Nicki. If Martin, cause since he mix up, Martin over blinga and gift out blinga backside, and Martin never come on my program and give me, and him over blinga and give blinga. We never eat Martin for, eh? I know Martin come over my program and show the 1 cent them for Lord, I feel like a piggy bank. But nevertheless, moving right along, me can't tell people who forgive. Me see Top Chef on my program and gift out my backside. And me see screen recording with Top Chef over Rosealee and gift out Rosealee backside. And me do, me scroll and laugh. Me just smile and me say that woman you have a different heart. That's all I have to do. It's when people are not attached. Think about what? You see them people not attached to anybody when persons are unattached when they eat them. Then me could have really upset with Top Chef gifting Rosealee when Top Chef could have gift Rosealee longer than Oshia give me. You think we could have upset? Tell me the truth. You think we could have upset? Lord Martin, you come back with them, yeah? Martin not learning. Martin just not learning. You understand me? You can't do that. You don't want to stick up people. So what cheese if Nicki give people who are chat you? So what Nicki in a business with the argument? Nicki knows say you can't be helped in life. The funny part about life in a cheese, people did help you. And where you go? You can't be helped. When me tell them say, you're cursed, you're dog shit, they don't believe me. Exactly, who is cheese? Who is cheese? Dear Nighty, thank you. Thank you, my baby. I will just send my request. I'm gonna cheese. Yeah, who is cheese? Who is cheese? You can't stick up people for them own. On a little bit out of order. Thank you very much, my baby. So let me say so my mama last name this old Jaya gift me. Oh, where the blood? Then my mother have them so that Jaya, what you gift me? Yeah. You ever eat the lady? You ever describe the ladies underneath? You ever talk some things where you don't know about the lady? Just because she over this, so I give somebody who you believe is their enemy. Hello, Nicki not help you fight. No war. No war whatsoever, Nicki not help you fight. You're all little bit entitled, Nicki all big like outside. and she'll lay down better than you. So you look like tight hole now gone away. Stretch your hole, cheese. Stretch your hole and change your situation. Stretch your hole. Cause you're all little, you know. You're all teeny tiny and tiny. Nikki have a man for herself. Where is your man? So you see, man not like not the way I squeeze them. They love space. You never see World Cup a keep in our office. Always in a stadium. More patrons. At a match. On the two out of order. All of them have the same dirty style. Nobody not to get up and give anybody else other than Uno. Uno want control person's pockets. What's the truth? Be real and the truth me attack. Is the truth be real? You can't walk out and give nobody what you like. Without hiding. Then who am I? Who am I? Certainly not the girls them sugar. Hello? Don't ever think about that. No, but be real, for true. You can't walk out and say, you know me like that person today. I feel like me I go give this person today. You can never say that. You can never do that. There's a reason why you're not going to be here. So, no, for true. You can never walk out and say, maybe give that person. You know what? Me hear Nigos a chat some things about Shebi, you know. And you know, say me never too quite understand. Me like when Nigos a say. Make me go give Nigos something. So, me can't have a gift over here, so go over to Smash. And say Smash a talk about the Bible and him a talk about the Lord and him nah beg. Make me go give him one little offering. I hope him can draw this and show in a church tomorrow. No, so, me a go vex. Cause Smash get one lion. Me a go vex, you know. Cause Smash nah talk nothing good. Him nah talk nothing after today and him go get lion from Desiree. Be real go give him lion. Martin go over there go give him tiger. Barbz go over there go give him beer. And me vex. Me just vex so. When them come back from a program, me not talk in a only, you know. Oh. Huh? Me not talk in a honor. Honor feel for bless them. Bless them. Give it to them. Give it to them. Honor walk out and honor feel for bless somebody. Give it to them. No make nobody control your pocket. Don't make nobody control the pocket. Give who you want to give. Alright, now there's really a class, you know.
People, let me know what they think because them have a saying with them say play with puppy, them lick your mouth. You see me? So I disagree with Nicki Minaj. A long time I see it say them I go disrespect her, you know. And I say, yo, this is a good look certain way, but fishy pearl and stay which part over them Jamaican TikTok and something, she go get disrespect. And so say it, so be. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think.
They're often. You know, none of them not defend the app genuinely. It's when you hear them talk about unity, a lie. Lies. Now make the devil trick you because the government don't trick with. You get what I say? Don't make them fool you. They have no love for each other, no unity. That is why I take my thought is happy kind of motto is come from among them, be ye separated and touch not the unclean things. Because she's just exercised witchcraft in its highest and she don't even notice. So she exercised witchcraft. May I tell you the truth? It is so sad. I want to report the lie, but come suck with. Yeah. Okay. If I mean like you, me give her 4 more and make it 20. Honestly to God. They think me go feel away. Then next year now when Nikki come by me, like me go look at Nikki so you mad, go on ya? Where? Go on ya? The woman supposed to know she want the woman money. And the woman things. And the woman liking and preference. Una accept people preference. Una don't accept it. And then when you don't talk to people bad mind, oh no. Look on bad mind. Either pass by your program, send you one J. Pass by your program, send you one wheel. She cut and go through. So why cheesy blasé discriminate the lady like that? After the lady help you more than how she help many persons on the app cheese. Huh? You always bite the hands will feed you. You know why? Because you live off a belly full. Once a belly full, the world is not enough. You don't realize that you're gonna get hungry. You don't realize that your digestive system at work. Okay. Your body must be bong. You and Dana argue over 5 years knowing about the same thing. Why you not focus on Dan? Why you not focus on Dan? Why you gone over Nikki through you want the money? And the money you want the money. If you go rent somewhere for come and hype and say, babe, she's remember you late in her life. So oh you got hype. Everybody reach where they might go before you and know you not get up. That's all she want. Yeah, and it's just wickedness. It's wickedness. She see barbz uses homelessness and monetize her fight. You understand me? Tiki the same. You get what me I say? So she believe that she can use this case. Nikki has always been giving our enemies, and we are enemies of others. You understand me? So when Nikki give us, others can say Nikki again give them enemy too. All of we are enemy. So why should you have a problem with that? You just don't have a problem. But the evil within you can't make you show gratitude to somebody who used to deliver you, who once delivered you, somebody who care about you sometimes. You can't show gratitude to that. You have to come and drag the woman in the worst way, and the woman not do you nothing. Nikki never go on nobody live and say cheese all stink. Our cheese look like she have AIDS. The lady never do that. So make it make sense. You are evil. Nobody at all not forget it. You know you say, Nikki hear you cry, Nikki see you prank. She see your shenanigans and oh she not aid you. Oh she aid other people and not aid you. You see though, that's why your argument towards Nikki no make no sense. But you see true, you have a lot of careless people with phones and them alone entertain you. Them alone. Cause it don't make no sense. Only B can't make sense. Winnie it cannot make sense. But eagle them greedy for true. You sit down and you have your prank, you know. And Nikki now fall for your prank. She now come send no 2 lion here for your calculator and say, oh, when I pull this now, I can save the money and put it down for do something. I can draw the money and get the bar go drink something. Because remember he's a drinker. You understand? No, it's scary for true. This is a height of obia. You never know say witchcraft she's an exercise. The lady give everybody. Then why should I have a problem if Nikki get up now and give Ivany? Why should I have a problem if she get up and give Rosealee? After me not control, number one, me not even did help Nikki work hard money. Right now, me and suck for some. Oh. I get me can't even rap. We never buy the lady album yet. We listen to the lady and love her for free. And the lady in return paid us for loving her and not buying on her album. She turned on and she pay away. All we can show is gratitude because she played for our conscience. We have never purchased. We only love, we RJR love and fire. And zip play. Right, see the one you Nikki this? Our vibe tweet. Yeah, man, I say for the on YouTube. And we're ready, we play pan Happy Corner. And that's why it stop. Nikki album come out and I never download it. For free. For free. So that if your conscience could tell you that you have never contributed to this lady's career, but yet still she bless you for not contributing, and now you have a problem with she gifting others. Exactly, never bought an album but always want her to gift you. For sure. We're not too obligated, entitled, and out of order. She's not living away. Don't use the woman name to make no money. We're not too wicked. Biggie is not lying. Alright, Shebada Eagle make a point here. No vlogger never run with this. But yet still, if me say under rebel big, them run with that, and yet hear oh me love tear down woman. Show her falls. You see it? But when she's the blase they talk about under Nikki, he ain't true. She just nothing have nothing for do. That's why I'm telling you, I don't come for look, no friend, no likes, no views, no following. No more, I not even come for beg on the gifts. Because me no beggy. So you know with me, no, me unattached. So me can attack anything come on my mouth, but anyone I will know. I'm not too out of order. Not when nobody up on the app can read me because me not come here for that. Me not come here for that.
Alright people, let me know what you think in the comment section. So I say we will watch some more and then we are going to move on to the next.
That. I'm too out of order and entitled and every single thing. And you can't even help on yourself, but you not class other people and not envy other people. Go envy a JOB if you want to be with me. No romance with the finance. Yeah, go and get yourself a JOB, go envy that. And everybody walk and all of everything that is negative and wrong, wanna run with it. Of course, we don't see Nikki do great work like Oprah, but true Nikki now rent no way get cheese. She's one Nikki for hear her cry and run out with her stage show money. Yeah, and say, oh cheese, I'm gonna put in a mansion. Nikki, from the first day she's going, the second day the house starts strip. Them girl they come with curse. Oh, no two way about it. Them girl they come with curse. How the woman hold big and how the woman suck hold. Don't want to suck hold. Number one, we stop kiss lips. We stop kiss lips. We start kiss dicks. Oh, but the woman this and the woman that, she's got suck pop from back ways. Go use your tongue and wipe out your little boy batty wall. I'm not too entitled. Go eat lava who you say you are blind because you shame the man. And even if you go eat to make you shame him. Because you know you cannot help yourself. You see when I think that about Nicki Minaj, Nicki's position, you know. You get what I say? What I'm talking about is the gratitude that we don't have as Jamaican rankers. That is what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter. The lady wasn't being rude to cheese. She never disrespect cheese. She should remember what the lady do. The lady come and make people like you. Because you did hard for like on the app. You never know. It's true, honey. But it is true. You're mad. You're mad. Leave the lady alone. Yeah, walkers cover the net. The net never ask a cheesy blase to be in the surveillance camera for them because they know you're not living, you're not going to stay focused. So they didn't ask you to. They know you're preoccupied with your own situation. So you are walking look own Nikki again. Cheesy blase situation is a prank, and if it's not a prank, she can't be helped. Save your $1 and $2 that know it's not meaningful to you, because what is much to us is very little to you. That much we don't know. You understand me? We not get that in our pipe yet. So we will feel like say when you come and you send 2 lions, it a broke you. Remember say we're narrow-minded and we're limited. But let me say this. You might feel led to go buy cheese. Don't go. Don't go. Keep your money. Give it to a home. Give it to somebody. You're a foreign madman. You feel giveable? Give it to one church. Whatever lion you have to send, give it to one church. Do. Before you take it up and give it to cheesy blase. No make nobody pitch for your blessing and fatten themselves. No, she's too ungrateful. She's very ungrateful. It doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, but no, but I love you to my heart. They don't love you to them heart. Because it's quick for them to do this. They don't love you to them heart. Let me tell you that. If you step out with too hard, we're going to tell you about the wall that you're underneath. I was trying to tell you, but I guess you know. But the fact of the matter is we have missed the bigger picture. Because we think say $1,000 US, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 US broke you. That's what we think, that's what we believe. And then you know so what you give to us, not even the socks or the drawers where you put on. Cheap like what you're giving. But that's where our mindset is. So if I'm me like you, I put on one darkers and step past cheese. We make cheese and a little boy battle it out in a sufferation because people love to talk about say me insensitive and me this and me that. Let me tell you something. Me a warm up for the mark of the beast. Because when the mark of the beast is an issue, whether you're a newborn or old born, the young, the old, the rich, the poor, you understand me, the lame, the sick and the lazy, everybody have to take the mark of the beast. So we are saying, can't serve for drunk bro. Cannot serve, and I tell you that this span my life every single time. I say sometimes some people are go through them bitter mara. Leave the people in them, make them give them own testimony, man. Leave the people in.
Alright, people, we're gonna move on to the next. But here somebody else said that already, you know, like when you see people that go through some rough time, sometimes you have to let them, make them go through it. You know what I mean? Because you don't know if the Almighty I punish them for things what them do already. So tell me what you think about that.
Leave them at any time now. Gotta try call people, might try call some stony hearts. Leave them. Leave the people them. If she's that better by herself, she'd be more humble. You never know. When you not have the help and you have to go through and depend on a higher power, you become more humble. You never know. Some of us live on the fact that somebody have to help me. You mad? Thank you, Jesus, and you alone. I put my trust on. I can beat my chest and say, I have come through, God. I tell you that every day, leave the people them. Exactly. Same so there's real. Leave the people them. Make some of them go through what them have go through. Make them come and ball. Because once you come from the net and a ball, you don't know your position yet. Where? Come from the net head come bad when you overcome and you look back. Tears of rejoicing. Where?
Yeah.
Hi Zoe. But PH get something that make you get funny until 7.
And you classes, look here.
Clap that, clap that, clap that, clap that, clap.
Are you classes? Are you classes?
Yeah, neat and thick. If it mommy face catch it.
Which one? Eh?
Because she teacher.
And she classes me can't do this or anything like this. That's her.
Because she motivated him.
She know that.
Yeah, so you say I'm KPH, Anna?
You get something there. You suspend from getting gift. Suspend from getting gift for 7 days.
Really? Didn't I know they cannot do that to your page?
That means for what they may keep on get gifts to them and then keep on send them to me. But if I go and stream on this and tell it free.
Oh. But the page are active too.
Yeah, active.
Thank you, baby. The page are active too, so.
Always your morning, sorry for. Nah.
Yeah, my morning, you know, take time I go, okay, me just a hold on. Like, you know.
You look very beautiful.
Guys, we're going to stop on the first super chat. But just go and hold it. I'm not like this, girl. How is your morning?
Never know what I'm at hometown or not there.
Eh? Are you still come from? Oh, me like up here.
Thank you, Didi.
As somebody say to me and end up the person I want to my family, them family.
Eh?
Yeah.
Thank you, Anne.
You know exactly
what. Oh, I hope I cold door.
You can't live out for years and come here without even you have to direct me. You know exactly where it is.
Yeah, because you live close to it. Who they close to, Nina?
You didn't live close to here, so I'm there?
About fire in our sense. Is that right?
Yeah, they fire.
Yeah.
They're close to them about fire in our sense. We are the way they are far.
Bad up that Zoe. Mash
now like say cold up here, cold at night time. I say last time I see a piece of fog. But think I dopey show.
Yeah,
now like say remind me of Friday the 13th.
Remember
when we see the dopey at one. Yeah, up at Chilani.
Yeah, the fog.
I call this place, man. I call this place in November. So I'm really on the highest peak, second highest peak in Jamaica. When no people know say what is that second highest peak in Jamaica.
Yeah.
But it's a cool.
You want to see all the car I get cold up last night and the man after use it something and I fag it off. Fag thick.
Yeah, man.
The run come in the house.
Remember I don't push you.
Seriously.
Most nice.
Cold man. It's nice though, yeah.
I'm going to town it. I'm going to town it. I'm going to town.
Going to town?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to town, guys. 4 rows and
Yes, 4 rows chat. 4 rows.
Alright, thank you. Thank you so much, yacht boy. That we need. 4 rows chat. 4
rows, guys. Try catch your speed.
Alright, come together. Double tap.
Look at this. Guys, 4 rows.
I ask you a question, Anna, right?
Yeah.
And alright, just use the speed and next I ask you a question.
Guys, come on, 3 more roses.
Empress, thank you, baby.
2 more chat, 2 more. Come on, go catch it. 2 more rows chat. One more no. Somebody else, 1 more rose. Catch it, chat. Catch it, please. One more for somebody else. Thank you, Natty. Alright, we'll catch you now, okay. Give me the iPad.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Alright, maybe we can talk about that after.
No.
Seriously, guys, use the triple.
Thank you.
The iPad one.
Guys,
thank you, baby.
Natty, beg you again, Alexi.
Johnson, thank you for the money gun.
Thank you for the money gun, babe. Thank you. Queen 909, pick up yourself, boo. Thank you.
Chat.
Tantan, thank you so much, guys. Use a triple chat.
Thank you for the honor, Johnson.
Triple.
Sexy, thank you so much.
Brother, a people pay full come right here, so use a bad mind person, laugh my ass off.com. A people send me here so with them good up money. But pick low hotel budget. I people them pick here so. I people them pick here so. And I too money spent. So we're gonna come cost the people them. You right here?
Bring down that somebody there. Hello. The person was say we pick low budget bumbuckler place.
Hey. So we pick high budget place. We pick low budget place.
Anyway, listen to me.
and a we picky budget, and a we picky place. You see me? We just enjoy what TikTok do for we. We don't come over here for we a bumper ass clot. No lower alone and make sure you enjoy your stream.
Brianna, Natty, thank you.
Excuse.
No rules for the gloves. Right, I gotta make it speed.
Brianna and Natty, thank you so much for the money, God. That girl let you know. You see me people them come over here and put out the girl and talk about low budget.
Thank you so much, guys. Everybody, guys, went double tap. Thank you. Just go and use him and get everybody over pan the page here.
I try to do, mommy. Let me see them tan bad. Where do you want to talk to me about? So bad?
My grandbaby, am I asleep?
Yeah, I'm asleep me first.
So all of them must get a little vacation from some of them supporters, so them are full joy. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean, sometimes you have to put the stress behind you and just go up on a little vacation certain way. Although not everyone will have it to do them type of things still. You know what I mean? Although I don't know if I like it's a transitional place them there right now where them a look a place for rent, cause remember them get eviction notice, you know. So them left to try, you know what I mean, search for a place. We don't know if that are a real vacation them depend. But let me know when people I watch somewhere.
The guy in my teeth. Pussy bad. You want to see teeth?
Hold on. Johnson, thank you so much. You have a glove and a light. Johnson, thank you.
Mommy and thank you. Natty, DD, Terry, Bad Girl, Love Brittany. Everybody, thank you so much for tapping on the screen and supporting the live, guys. Remember the page I have to use because my other page get something there.
I was there saying Wild? That is wild. Yeah, wild. With a nice cartoon faces, so pretty. Thank you, baby. Boss,
Brenna, thank
Bless Empress. Thank you. Yeah, me I go ask you now, it's a reasoning me I go hold with you. I tell you the truth. The certain time I stay like this, as someone me really have to deal with. You understand me? They say me uncomfortable, me can't force it, and you go see it for me. Anna,
yeah.
I said that question, right? And why you listen to me good when me I say, guys, use the first double. Use the double chat. If I want to put it away, right? If you did it on your ear, somebody I tell your baby, say if you tell them grandmother say if you don't call them well on the one gear right here. Alright, make sure you help me with it, cause I don't want it come out nowhere. Yes.
Yeah, if you send any call, if you send Kobe. Okay, no miss. If you send Kobe up at Daniel mother, right? Yeah. And then Kobe say you want to talk to mommy, but I know you want to talk to mommy because you mommy, right? Yes, you can't mommy. So you say you want to talk to mommy, you don't want to talk to you. And if you turn the phone to Kobe and Kobe talk to mommy and you go here, then your mother say, no, we don't want to talk another mommy. They move. What's it?
Anna you me talk to, and my mother me want to talk to.
She tell Kobe if he said that.
She tell Kobe if he said that.
Your grandmother tell Kobe if he said that.
Yeah, say grandmother not say to Kobe say, tell her say no you me want to talk to, your mother my mother me want to talk to. You get what me I say?
Your grandmother not like.
Let me get figure straight. Let me get figure straight. You know say the baby them up a Chanel mother, right?
Yeah.
Guys, now we're gonna everybody drop a rose chat.
Everybody drop a rose chat.
Come on, chat. Everybody.
Drop a rose, guys. 1, 2 donut or something, guys.
Chat. Everybody drop a rose chat, please.
Catch your speed, chat.
Catch your speed, my side.
Speed.
One more donut.
Everybody catch your speed, chat. Everybody drop a rose. All right. Guys, now we're gonna use a triple. Anna.
Yes, mommy.
A baby up a Chanel mother, right?
Yeah.
So the baby says he want to talk to me. Remember, say me the baby call mommy, you know. You understand? So when Chanel carry the phone come give me Me hear the grandmother in the background. I tell the little boy if you tell you tell the little boy if you say, I know you me want to talk to him. And your mother, I'm a mother, me want to talk to. That him tell the little boy if you say to me, you know.
And she say back to me.
And she say to me, so I know you me a talk to, and my mother me a talk to.
That's rude.
Right? And is it tone or him tell the little boy what if you say to me?
Yes,
And the
because
tone
you
or
like,
tell the little boy, guys, you know you use the triple chat. Queen 909, shoot baby. Anything you shoot up on the double baby. Anything you shoot up, it like the depend you. Thank you baby. Johnson, thank you.
Grandmother not like mommy. She don't like mommy.
Yes,
Full of
right?
baby head of bad things. As if you talk rude to your grandmother.
Johnson, thank you baby. Thank you for the money gun.
Listen to me. Another grandmother, you see?
The grandmother and the mother. Chanel, me not afraid to say.
Yes, bro.
I'm not afraid to say it. Chanel.
Watch it now. Watch it now. Even one time I say it, Anna, when the little boy say it to me, me feel away bad enough. Me not lie to you. Of course me feel away. The girl give me the phone and the little boy talk to me. And me hear the grandmother in the back I said, till I say no, you talk to her, your mother you talk to. So the little boy say, Anna, you me a talk to her, my mother me a talk to. So that's when I hear the grandmother in the back whisper tell the little boy. Yes, so when I pick it up and my sister them I tell the little boy to talk to me, so. I turn to Chanel and I say, Chanel, you did this as a mother, you make the little boy talk to me them type of way. You hear your mother did it. I tell the little boy if you tell me things. You know, say the girl that did it, the girl just smile. And I said, nothing at all, Anna.
Because she aware of the situation, mommy. She aware of the situation, and that's very rude. You see me?
Right?
She and her mother chat. You want me to tell you the truth? She and her mother chat.
Yeah, it is the truth.
She and her mother chat. Two of them are chatting.
Yeah, that makes
like
chat, please.
Chanel only run you because of certain things. May I tell you the truth?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to make truth. You're not supposed to make something that talk to you in that type of manner. Even say grandma na you me a talk to, mommy me want to talk to. You understand?
Yeah. But you know say she call me mommy. You know say me she call mommy and call him mother Chanel. You get me? So when time the woman me started to talk now, cause you know me now go hold down my mouth, you know. Hear the woman now. But a Chanel come up here, come tell me say she a call her mommy, and she no want she call her mommy. So the mother confirm it, cause the mother say a Chanel come up here, come tell me say she a call you mommy. You understand me? I say she no want she to call your mommy. So that's if you disrespect me and make the look. Pitney and disrespect me. So you're going to tell me say them are going to have the look grand Pitney and disrespect me from no. Them a teach him off and disrespect me.
No respect. They don't respect you. You understand me? That shouldn't
when
go
you talk, though, nobody no really understand, you know. Nobody no understand. And my sister, they must say me no like the girl, but just know say the girl no with me none tall. You understand me? And if I from morning, that girl is like I feel laugh, she laugh. Thank you, baby.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Hey, baby. Thank you, Johnson. Thank you so much. Come on, chat. Thank you for the color one, guys. Use a double chat, double.
guys,
Team Blue, everybody come together and double chat my time.
Come on, guys. Use a double. That's out of order. She said respect. Remember, see levels, right? Levels to things. Come to
I tell the only thing you have to do, you don't know your levels with the mother, because I'm the grandmother alone. The mother have to have a part.
Exactly. Two of them have a part.
Yeah, that's what I say, because in the day, we know say Chanel have to have mother are good. So all of a sudden, no.
Yeah.
Two of them good.
Two of them thick. Two of them
good.
Two of them still gonna chat.
Nobody can in a chat.
Right? And the thing is this.
A reality we attack. On the top boy, we can't have a conversation.
More while you see mommy, more while you see mommy, I talk to Chanel a certain way, I deal with Chanel a certain way, I run type of funny jokes about her look, it's just joke. Most of the time they just do it for sketch what they make. So nobody feel like say me deal with the girl bad. When we deal with that girl so
thank you guys, everybody drop a rose.
Guys, everybody drop a rose.
Thank you, baby. Everybody drop a rose chat.
Everybody drop a rose chat. Even
not even man would look for him and tell him say yo you can't deal with my mother so. And everybody can talk about me, right? Guys, everybody drop a rose team.
Big man mates, brother.
Chat, everybody drop.
Some people, you see some of the time, you see the way how you behave on the internet, if you're on the internet, and the type of things them where you go on with and uphold with and them something there, that are how people use for judge you. Whether them deal with you with respect or disrespect. You see what I say? So sometimes you have to be mindful of the things them what you do and how you act. But I don't think say a little picnic, grand or picnic, or whichever way them fall, niece, nephew or whatever, if you deal with somebody older than them, in a no idiot disrespectful way. Them fi have respect for everybody, and we as adults we not fi teach the picnic them for disrespect people. Cause that we grow up in a them and then them end up even disrespect you. Let me know what you think or what some more.
Rose, guys, everybody come
Everybody
together.
get a rose.
Come
Everybody
together,
get a rose. Guys, what Anna? Big one Anna. What Anna, guys? Get your speed.
Everybody catch his speed, chat.
Everybody get your speed.
Like, we're gonna Anna, one Anna, guys.
Everybody
use
together.
Anna.
Thank you, Brianna.
Come on, team. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Baby, thank you.
Thank you, baby. Queen, thank you. Johnson.
Exactly.
Mel, thank you so much, baby. Everybody, guys, thank you for that. Guys, use the triple chat.
People don't like talking truth, bro. That not like with people. She wrong for that.
All right, so we get the gloves. Johnson, thank you. Come together, guys. Use it.
Use the triple. Use the triple. Use the triple.
No rules.
Everybody use the triple together, please.
No rules. Johnson, thank you, Queen. Thank you,
Guys,
Queen.
no
No
rules.
rules. No rules, guys.
Come
Remember,
on, guys. Shoot. A money gun. Money gun, Galaxy chat. Shoot, chat. Guys, make no money gun now. Somebody shoot for me now, please. Oh, God.
Johnson, thank you. Queen, everybody, guys, thank you so much, guys. We go to everybody, guys. Yeah, double tap, guys. We could go 200k likes, team. 200k likes, guys. Johnson, thank you so much for the hype, baby.
Brianna, big up yourself, Brianna. Are you alone over yourself?
Come on, team, everybody come together. One Johnson, thank you so much. The person say, well on it.
But Shannon call animal.
Yeah, all them call, she call me mom too. She herself call me mom.
Call me mommy. Everybody call me.
Right, everybody call me mommy.
Thank you for the follow.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, brighty. Take your promise, me say. Take your promise, me say. Him go put on man clothes for official match. And when me see man come out, he might look like me and bikini one. He might look like somebody now want to blow clot. Swear. The man tell me say him did go bumbuckler come out in a man clothes. And from me see that wig there. Me know so I want a wig there, but me did buy big seed. Me know. Yeah. Yeah, we see about 20 like that. Yeah, more 20. No, we don't exaggerate. Give me 5 lighter. What? 5 lighter. Oh. Yeah. So how you reach? You there, Jan? I just remember the thing about everything they want to get the so this is for a all right. And not help nobody buy no stocks and nothing. And not help nobody with nothing. I don't got no money. I'm gonna do this because I want Rosalie happy. Because I don't like that. I don't like that fat sober whale. I don't like that whale. I don't like that woman then none tall. So I don't want to feel like say me. I don't want to feel like say me and a fat suck there a friend. I don't want Rose feel like say me and her a friend. Tell her to go suck out her mama. I promise a lot of people something, but not every time I promise to go through. And every time I promise to go through. I care zero what the fuck I don't want to say. I care zero. I care zero to blood clot. I care zero. What a waste your style take you last night. Man, now who go beat me to blood clot? Who go beat me?
Hey, people, let me tell you something, man. You see the swim around them, I don't know how them are going so nowadays. Like them up front and them are going with themselves. Them are live them life still, you know, but them have to know what them are doing when them are deal with people in a for them position. I'll do what them have a saying what them say. If you play with puppy, them lick your mouth, whatever. So sometimes them people have to forget where them we come to them certain way. Like the lion man now, him know say them people here, and especially the one where him a deal with right now, where I say him a go match with her, whatever. Say him go on with some things where some of them now go on with. You see me? So him have a right to pull out and just easy back and don't match with this person. You understand? Because him don't tell him one thing and then him a change him mouth. You know what I mean? So him have a right, but I hope him learn him lesson. Say these people, them cantankerous, them no hold no hard a certain way. Them do what them feel like to do, especially the one them with the overseas where them good which part them there and them can live them life. Them are gonna live them life. All them fit to live it. And you know what I mean? Just you have to know how you deal with them because them no humble. Alright, just put it away there. Make watch some more.
So that man no, I walk up beat me. Who? Who walk up beat me? The Sea World community and the Sea World community are upon him side. Yeah, you know. Somebody's gonna they're making the place nice. They're setting up the place. They're setting up all the place and they will make the place look nice. Go near one to no more. Oh, somebody has said the place nice. Why you not go play with that person then, sir? Why you not go play with that person then? Why not play that person there, sir? Why not play that person there, sir? Why? Why not play that person there, sir? At least I could have tell him. Me not own about him and no respect. And that me has a 400k score. 400k score for an official match, man. So really, that will not call me if you play. I'm telling you why they want to play me. I'm telling you guys, why they want to play me. You see, anytime them set up an official match, a serious match with me, World Dog, Swissly, people are gonna take it serious. You see it? People are gonna take them match serious. You see me I say? So all who not like me, we go over this one. You see it? And all who not like Tiki, we come over my side. But I really feel match still. You see it? So him never need me. Him could have played anybody. Him never need me, bro. He literally could have paid anybody, bro, because I feel much, bro. I was at Salt River yesterday, enjoying myself. I was at Salt River. I see some girl wear round, some girl wear brown, some girl wear black. We look like Matt. A rat bat. Yeah, some nice girl down there. So, yeah, I'm going to Shana River yesterday, guys. Yeah. I never know say them name one river for Shana. I saw Shana big, man. I never know say Shana big in IT. Don't say them thing, man. Don't say them thing, man. Do not say them thing there. Oh no. Do not say them thing there, baby. I don't have a woman. Don't say them thing there. What the fuck when I tell me boy Fabia breed or whatever? You think I give a fuck? Let me give a fuck still, but I guess in them, man. So she a breed. I guess in our belly, man. Yes. Guess in our belly, man. I love you so much, baby. Just give me some time. I'ma text you back. I'm on live right now. Love you so much. Later. Huh? How I going? So I'm gonna enjoy myself too.